Is your Samsung phone suddenly stuck in a black and white screen like it's from the 80s? It's important to fix because it makes using your phone hard and less clear. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly solve the black and white screen problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off color correction. First, go to the settings. Now scroll down. Find out accessibility. Then tap on it. Now tap on vision enhancements. Now scroll down again. Tap on color correction. And now toggle it off. Solution 2. Turn off bedtime mode. Go to settings again. Scroll down once again. Find out digital well-being and parental controls. Then tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on bedtime mode. After that, simply turn it off. That's how you fix the black and white screen problems in your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.